my blisses. I welcome you all back to my channel. So today's video is all about Nykaa Pink Friday Sale 2020, which was from 26th to 30th November. So if you are someone who loves shopping and likes to explore the beauty world, then keep. Since it was a fab deal one can ever get in a whole year, and I have quite a few products, so I have decided to divide this video in 3 sections: skincare, hair and then makeup. So if you are interested to look out for some particular section like hair care or skincare or makeup, so you need to pause this video, check out my description box where I'll be mentioning the timestamp so that you can directly jump onto the sections and keep watching. So the first product in skincare I bought is this Indian Healing Clay, that is Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, which is supposed to deeply cleanse your pores and remove all the gum from your skin, and it is highly rated by many Hollywood celebrities as well as YouTubers. So this product contains 454 grams and it actually retails for the price of 1440. But during the sale, I got it in a discount for 864 rupees. And with this, you're supposed to use this with apple cider vinegar, which also I got free with this product. And so if you're coming to this apple cider vinegar, it seems to be very pure. And it is around 500 ml ka bottle with the actual MRP is 899 and I got it for. So the second product in skincare is this face wash. So this is basically Neutrogena deep cleaning brightening face wash. So earlier I used a Neutrogena deep clean face wash like chota wala just to try it out how it works. It was of 50 grams and it cost me of around 135 rupees, and it was pretty good. So when in sale, this is like 100 grams and actual price like MRP is 300 rupees, but during sale I got it for 176 rupees, which was a great deal, like comparing to a 50 gram and 50 gram and 100 gram ka tube. So this is one of the face wash which actually doesn't make your skin dry and removes all the oiliness and gum from your skin, and it really keeps you fresh, and it is really good. Bought from the sale is this one. It's Indulgio Rose and Geranium Witch Hazel Toner. It was very highly rated, again a highly rated product. I used it a couple of times. It's really quite good. It's quite refreshing, doesn't make your skin dry, especially in the winter season, and it is really very refreshing, and it's supposed to it is supposed for an oily and acne prone skin. So I had an acne over here and I just used it for a couple of days and I can see it really did work for my skin. So my skin is in combination and oily skin, more towards an oily, so it really worked best. So this is the one. So it is what we say 50 ml ka bottle, which was like actual price is 300 and in this sale I got it for 270. Skincare is this one. So this is a Bronzer Professional Facial Cleansing Device, which is supposed to used for like during your face wash. So this side is for like the smooth one is for face wash, and this one is for what we say for scrubbing purpose. So basically it works on a charging mode. So they give a cord like this, so you just need to charge it, and you just need to charge it like once. It really lasts long, and they give a button over here. They have a button over here, so you can see it starts and basically it vibrates, and we just need to what we say move this around our face like when we wash our face with face wash, and it does the work. We don't need to manually scrub it, and really it did really massages the skin really very well, which helps in reducing the fine lines and wrinkles. So this one was a very good product. I got it in a sale. So coming to the part, this was originally retailing, let me stop it. So this was originally retailing for 1100 rupees, but I got it in sale for 600 rupees. but currently you can check it out. It's again went on sale, like it is 48% off, and it is currently being like 570 rupees, so you can check it out. And how can a skincare shopping will be left without face masks? So last but not the least in my skincare is this face sheet mask, which are from Tony Moly. It was an offer going on, like if you pick 5, then 5 will be free. So each costs around 50 rupees. So basically if you buy without offer, so each one will cost you, for 100 rupees, but during sale, like if you just grab 10 and you'll get with each one, it will cost you around 50. And it is really very cute, and it really works very well. It just hydrates your skin so nicely. So I got in a variant of avocado, tomato, maguli, rice, and pomegranate. So these are the variants I got. So apart from this Tony Moly, I got a regular one, like not regular one, but the main one was like, again these two are also from Tony Moly. So one is from Snail Mask and one is like ginseng. So if you are a follower of Korean culture, you might be knowing they have red ginseng is supposed to be very good for your skin and overall your health. And also maggioli is supposed to be a very good fermented rice drink, so it really works well on your skin. Apart from this, I even bought one more sheet mask. So this is from L'Oreal. So it is their Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence Treatment Face Mask. I just wanted to give it a try since they had an essence of it. So this is one of the masks. So the original price of this is also 150 rupees, but during sale I got it for 75 rupees. So this was all about the skincare product. So the first product in hair care I have bought is this one. This is L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. So it is supposed to be for all hair types, and it claims to be working with multi-purpose. Like you can use it as an heat resistant. You can use it like after shampooing your hair to remove your frizziness. It's supposed to removes the tangles and make your hair silky, soft, and smooth. I have used it quite a lot. It really works well. So coming to the price point, the product has 100 ml, and the actual price is $4.99, but during sale I got it for $4. The second product I bought during sale is this one. This is an hair mask. So basically my sister wanted it since she has a curly hair, and so this has a really great review in terms of making your hair silky, soft, smooth, it really gives you that shine in the hair which you always desire to get from the salon. So coming to the price point, so it was in a very good deal. So the product contains 500 ml ka bottle, like 500 ml ka jar. So it is quite a good amount in this price. So actual price is 600 rupees, but I got it in a sale for 480. Last product in hair section is the hair setting spray from L'Oreal Paris. So this is Elnet Satin hair spray. So I bought it a small bottle which is 75 ml. The actual price is 250 rupees, and I got it at 230 rupees. Yes, I got it at 230 rupees. So it claims to be a non-sticky one, and once you do some hairstyling or something like that, so basically it's supposed to hold your hair for that extra strength, and it's supposed to be working as of now. I didn't check how long does it really last, but coming to the point of using it, like I am using it on my hair today, so you can see like it did make my hair sticky, but like most of the hairsprays which are made up of sugar sheet syrup, so they are supposed to be tacky after you use it, and it makes your hair a little very messy, but it really didn't make my hair anything like that as of now. So this was one of the last product which I got it from hair care, like for hair. So coming to the part of makeup, so for makeup the first product I bought is this one. So this is basically a NYX Micro Grow. Let me show you like this. Okay, I just hope camera captures it. So this is NYX Micro Grow Pencil in the shade Espresso. So this contains 0.09 grams of product, and it is supposed to be spoolie at one end and the product at one end, which is really very precise. So it is like a kajal pencil. So it is like a kajal pencil, and it really gives you good coverage to reach out to all those spot areas. So its actual price is 875 rupees, but during sale I got it in a good deal of 675 rupees, and I was really lucky enough to get it at as soon as I got it, I like put it into my cart, and within 2 minutes it went out of stock. So this was a great purchase and I highly recommend it. So I'm using this today as well. So you can see it's really very easy for a beginner like me as well to do their own eyebrows in a very natural way. So this is one of the purchase. So my second shopping from like in makeup is this one. So this is K Beauty ka eyeshadow stick. So it is, I just would be able to see. Yeah, this is K Beauty ka eyeshadow stick in the shade Navigator. So it is supposed to be like 1.69 grams ka product. So actual retail price was 599 rupees and I got it for 449 rupees. So if you see this, so it is really very nice. Like for skin tone like me, it really glides really well and it really shows up. And let me swatch it for you. See, so this is the. It has halka sa shiny thing, but it really is a good purchase, like an eyeshadow. You can use it as an eyeliner as well. So this is the third purchase in makeup is the contour stick. So I wanted a contour stick, a good contour stick from a long time, and I was keeping my eye in this. So as soon as I saw this also went on sale, I immediately grabbed it. So basically this is 2.89 gram ka product. Which again retails for 599 rupees, and during sale I got it this one as well for 449 rupees. So it is basically is enriched with marula oil and vitamin C. So let me swatch it this also for you. So this is the contouring stick. So it is very light and it really very works well. It glides very smoothly, it's easy to blend. So this is the one. I just hope you are able to see. So to give you my shade of reference, so I use Pakka foundation in the shade 2.5. So I think in MAC it will be NC40. So for this, so the shade which I'm using, like it's a caramel focus. So in case you're thinking to buy, so you can go for caramel focus for my skin. So the next product in makeup is a HD loose powder. So this is again from K Beauty. So this powder is in the shade of a latte. So again, as I said, my skin tone is like NC40 or PAC 2.5. So this really goes well. So I'm using it today as well. So you can see it is really pretty much soft, smooth. It really doesn't make you what we say cakey. It's not that powdery. It really sets well and it is a perfect match for me, luckily. So let me show you. So this is like this, and it is not at all shimmery. It's a total matte one. So this is, so actual gram if you see, so it is 109 gram ka project, and the actual retail price is 799 rupees, but I got it on a sale for 599. So since I bought pretty much 3 products from K Beauty during sale, so as to the offer I got 1 product free from K Beauty. So this is the 1 product. So this is basically K Beauty, let me check what it is. So this is actually K Beauty Matinee Line Lip Crayon in the shade Melodrama. So this is basically 1.89 gram ka product, and it actually retails for 799 rupees, and I got it for free during sale. So let me swatch this for you. It's a pretty nice shade. So the same shade actually I'm wearing today. So you can see it's quite a new daily wear shade, and it really looks pretty, and it is halka sa glossy kind of thing, but it's not that heavy. I had lunch after using this, so it didn't at all went. So I'm yet to check the how long does it last, but So one more project which I got it under Make for Makeup is this one. So this is L'Oreal Paris Infallible Ultra Matte Less Chocolate in the shade 866 Truffamania. So this was a great deal actually. So the actual price it is 800 something. But I got it in a sale for 400 rupees. So let me swatch this as well for you. So it's a very pretty shade, like brown shade. So let me swatch it horizontally, you see. So it has a wand like this, and it's very easy to apply, and it has a very good chocolatey smell, and this is the swatch. So you see it's a very pretty brown lipstick. So it is not completely matte, it's semi-matte, gives you a satin finish, and it really looks well. So this is one of the, and last but not the least, the last project for makeup I got it is this lenses, this cosmetic contact lenses. So this is from PAC, so it is called Iris Premium Contact Lenses. So you can see this is like this. So this is actually like this. It's in brown color, and I thought actually it is like I bought two pairs, like two for my two sisters. So actually I thought it will be quite like multiple use, and it's in a great deal. So let me tell you the price point. So basically it retails for 220 rupees for one pair, but I got it in sale for 198 rupees. But unfortunately when I just saw this, it arrived, so it is written that it's a single use. So I'm not sure that whether we can use it again and again. So we didn't remove it and try it yet. So we saved it for any some special occasions where I really wanted to use it. So this is one of the shades. So both the lenses are same color. It's in brown color. So that's it. So this was all about today's video. So in case you want any review for a particular product mentioned in today's haul video, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be more happy to review it for you. And also do not forget to follow me on Instagram. So I am thinking and planning to be more active on Instagram and to connect with you guys more, and again to get updated. So let me know what you guys liked in this video, what are your experiences in the haul, and what you buyed, so that I can also try and check it out those projects. And do not forget to like, comment and share this video. So let's meet in next video. Till then, share.